Hi, it's Jim from the Seattle Aquarium, and I'm back talking about one of my favorite creatures, sharks. Some people think sharks are a little scary, but I think getting to know sharks better can help change their minds. What do you picture when you think of a shark? Is it big and full of teeth? Or do you see something small and colorful? Something that swims near the surface or deep in the ocean? There are all kinds of sharks, and they can be found all over the world. Every shark plays an important role in keeping the ocean healthy. We call different kinds of sharks species. Last time, we learned about just 2 of the over 500 species of sharks. So let's learn about some more by playing another round of Animals Have the Wildest Names. Holiday Edition. This is how we play. I'll show you the name of a shark, and you see if you can tell if it's a real shark or not. Let's see if I can fool you this time. Our first candidate is the cookie cutter shark. So, what do you think? Is the cookie cutter shark a real shark or something I made up in the spirit of the season? If you said real shark, you are right. Cookie cutters are tiny sharks with very big teeth. They're shorter than your arm, but they feed on tunas, dolphins, even whales. These clever little sharks use light to attract large predators. Then they swim around behind them and use those big teeth to sneak a little bite. It kind of looks like someone poked them with a cookie cutter. Okay, next up, keeping with that holiday theme, the snowflake shark. What do you think? Real shark or fake shark? While the snowflake shark sounds cool, you probably guessed it isn't a real shark. Although, some sharks do have amazing markings that might remind us of snowflakes. And some, like the Greenland shark, even live under the ice near the North Pole. All right, last one for this round. The lollipop cat shark. Real or one more sweet treat meant to trick you? They probably aren't as sweet as a real lollipop, but they are real sharks. We call them lollipops because they have a big head and a skinny body. They have big heads because of their huge gills. Sharks and other fish use gills to breathe in the water, just like we use our lungs to breathe on the land. When you take a deep breath, your lungs pull oxygen out of the air. We're lucky because there's lots of oxygen in the air we breathe. Lollipop cat sharks live deep in the ocean, far from the air. There isn't much oxygen in the water they breathe, so they need extra big gills to get all they can. You wouldn't want to lick these lollipops, though, because sharks have super rough skin. You'd scrape your tongue. So did you learn about a new shark today? Did I fool you with the snowflake shark? Don't worry if I did. We discover new shark species all the time. Maybe there is a snowflake shark out there in our one world ocean. Having lots of different kinds of sharks is called diversity. And diversity is very important to the health of the ocean. It means there are many different species around to do all the important jobs in an ecosystem. Now, we've only just dipped a toe in the incredible diversity of the ocean. There are so many more sharks and animals of all kinds to explore. So don't forget to subscribe so you can join us for the next episode of Animals Have the Wildest Names.